Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in case you haven't noticed, this Moses, aka Tom Speed, is in there. Break it down. So you see all this trade, they are all in profit. And this is my first trade today. And this is 9:45 because I've been trading currency since. You see, no trade today. This is my first trade. And this is 9:45. So I'll flip $20 to $82 right now. And I want to flip it to $100. That's why I'm still holding this trade. And there's a strategy I use to take all this trade. Actually, it's more like, how am I going to put it? It's more like a support and resistance, okay? So all you need to do in order to take this kind of trade is to go to the 4 hours time frame. Then when you get to the 4 hour time frame, make sure you locate any resistance, okay? More like or any support. This is the resistance. Then you stand it, okay? Once you stand it, you see what happened? Yeah, the market gets a resistance here. So let me use an arrow. This is a resistance. You see, on seeing the resistance, so I need to go to my lower time frame starting from 15 minutes and 5 minutes. So I went to the 5-minute time frame. So in the next thing, okay, you see this is our resistance, okay? This is a resistance. So the next thing I waited for was a crossover. Actually, I missed this. This is the crossover, the moving average crossover. Then the market moved down. After moving down, this indicator, rather the vigor index, also is at the ready zone. So I was starting to get ready. On getting to the ready zone and this moving average crossover, after crossing over, I entered, the red moving average here. The red moving average here. After the red moving average crossover, then I entered the trade. I would have entered the trade, but I missed it. I missed that signal. So I waited for another one, and it was air. So when this moving average crossed over again, so you see, I took 2 position here. Then when it break the resistance coming down, I took another one. Okay, I took 2 again, and you see, the market has been moving down. It's been moving down. So I've been adjusting my stop loss. So this is my stop loss here right now. This is my, my position. So this is my stop loss. So I'm just gonna adjust my stop loss a little bit here again in order to catch us some more peeps. I want to swing it overnight. I want to let me just say, okay, we're changing the stop loss to 45.34.97. Stop loss, okay, 45.34.97. Okay, so that's how you be adjusting your stop loss in case 45.34.97. Okay, so that's how you be adjusting your stop loss. Because before, let me go back a little. This place you're looking at here, it was $30. Okay, this $64 you're looking at, it was once $34. So when the P started increasing and the money started increasing, I decided to increase my stop loss. I decided to increase it. And what was the stop loss again? 45.34. Okay, 45.34. 45 from 45.40. I'm changing it to 45.34 now in order to catch more pips. Okay, 45.34. So that's how you be doing 45.34 again. Yeah, you see, you can see right now our stop loss is adjusted. Okay, let's go to the lower time frame again. Like 1 minute time frame. From here, I adjusted the stop loss here, then here, then here again. Okay, now look at the market moving downward. You see how the market is moving downward. So if the market move a little bit more, I'm just gonna adjust my stop loss here. That's where I'm gonna put my stop loss, because this place is a resistance. Why do I call it a resistance? The market touched here, moved up, then came down, then touched it again. That's called a double top. Okay, this place is called a double top. Okay, double top. So at the top of it, a little bit above the resistance, that's where my stop loss will be next. Okay, so once the market keep moving downward, I'll be adjusting my stop loss. I'll be adjusting. So that's the way I'll be doing. So let me quickly give you the setups. Now we're on $67. Let me quickly give you the setups of the moving average and the relative vigor index. The moving average period 15, shift 0, made a linear weight, apply the close, 2 pixel, down. Okay, the second moving average 50, made of simple 2 pixel, whatever color you like, done. And also the most cogent moving average is the red moving average, which is moving average 21, made of simple, style 2 pixel, whatever color you like, done. And the relative the indicator window too, okay? Here's the indicator window too. The relative vigor index, the RVL style, 1 pixel, whatever color you like, but the period must be 30, okay? Then the relative strength index as well. Period 14 apply the close 2 pixel, it doesn't even matter. The styles doesn't matter. It's the levels that matter. Level 20, 90, 80, 0, 10, and 50. 20 is ready, 90 is spike zone, 80 is ready, 0 is no description, 10 spike zone, and 50 is the TP. Okay, so right now the market is already at the TP. You see the market moving downward? Yeah. The market is already at the TP, but that's why I'm adjusting my stop loss, okay? That's why I'm adjusting my stop loss. You see the market moving downward? Yeah, that means we'll be making more profit. Now, you see here, from 66 to 74. 74 right now, 74. I'm flipping these $200. And if you check up here, you see, up here, from 22, it was 88 when we started this video. Now it's 96. So I want to flip it from $22 to $100. Okay, that's what I'm about to do. So let's just keep adjusting the stop loss. But no, for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna close the video. Then adjust the stop loss, because if I have to be doing that, this video will be too long, and I don't want it to be too long. So that's the setup you need. All you need is this red moving average and some resistance. This red moving average you're looking at here, this is it. All you need is let it cross over, then look for a good resistance. Once you get a good resistance, enter your trade, and you're good. This multiple weeks you're looking at shows that this is a good resistance. So all you need to wait for is for a crossover. The red moving average, just wait for it to cross over. It crosses over, then you take your trade. It's crossed over here. Can you see? And I took my trade there. Then I'll take it again after I break the resistance. And you see, since then I've been adjusting my stop loss. So that's how to flip, little account. That's how to flip it to a higher account. So from 22, I want to flip it to 100. But it's gonna get to 100. But I don't want this video to be too long. So please do me a favor, click the subscribe button, like this video. I really appreciate it if you do. Thank you very much.